Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Lucky Learning Info. In today's video, we are going to know best foods that are helpful to keep our lungs healthy. As we know that lungs are the center of respiratory system. Every cell of our body needs oxygen to stay alive and healthy. So the lungs' main function is to help oxygen from the air we breathe enter the red cells in the blood. Thus, red blood cells carry oxygen to all parts of our body. The lungs also help the body to get rid of CO2 gas when we breathe out. Now, let us see some of the foods that help to keep our lungs safe and healthy. First one, water. We have heard several times that drinks lot of water keeps our cells healthy. Water is essential for healthy lungs. Dry lungs are prone to irritation. So drinking 6 to 8 glasses of water per day is good for our health. Second one, green tea. Green tea contains many antioxidants that helps to reduce inflammation in the lungs. These compounds even protect lung tissues from the harmful effect of smoke inhalation. Third one, olive oil. It has monosaturated fatty acids, which can help to reduce inflammation, and alpha tocopherol, a form of vitamin E associated with better lung function. Consuming olive oil helps to protect against respiratory conditions like asthma. Fourth one, yogurt. Yogurt is rich in calcium, potassium, phosphorus and selenium. These nutrients helps to boost lung function and decreases your risk of asthma inflammation. Fifth one, walnuts. Walnuts are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. Eating a handful of walnuts helps to fight asthma and other respiratory conditions. Sixth one, apricots. Due to presence of vitamin A content, it supports respiratory tract linings and lower the risk of lung infections. Seventh one, apples. Apples are effective for people who want to focus on lungs health because apples contain high levels of antioxidants and quercetin. Quercetin protects lungs from the effects of cigarette smoke and atmospheric pollutant. Eighth one, blueberries. Due to the powerful pigments present in blueberries, it protects lung tissue from oxidative damage. Ninth one, barley. Barley is a nutritious whole grain that is high in fiber. High fiber diets shows a protective effect on lung function and reduces the risk of lung related diseases. 10th one, beans. Beans are a rich source of antioxidants which help to protect lungs from infections. They also help to fight against the free radicals that can damage the lungs. 11th one, lentils. Lentils are high in many nutrients that help to support lung function, including magnesium, iron, copper and potassium. Plus, eating fiber-rich lentils help to protect against lung cancer and COPD. 12th one, beetroot. Beetroot is rich in nitrates, which have been shown to benefit lung function. Nitrates help to reduce blood pressure and relax blood vessels. 13th one, tomato. Consuming tomato products has been shown to reduce airway inflammation in people with asthma and also improve lung function. 14th one, broccoli. Broccoli is a highly antioxidant green vegetable. Due to presence of sulforaphane increases the expression of gene found in lung cells that protects the organ from damage caused by toxins. 15th one, Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a dark leafy green that is high in magnesium. Magnesium helps to protect against inflammation and provide better lung function. And 16th one, cocoa. Cocoa products like dark chocolate are high in flavonoid antioxidants and contain a compound called theobromine which helps relax the airways in the lungs. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do share and like. For more informative videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.